Hi there, my name is Seva and I'm the co-founder of Content Vault app for Shopify. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Library Access subscription. With Library Access, a subscriber is able to get access to the entire library of content and digital files. We can get this subscription set up in just a few easy steps. First thing you want to do is head over to the Content Vault app and click on Subscriptions, create New Subscription, and create a Library Access subscription. Now, here we're going to give our subscription an internal name. This is not visible by the customers, but just used for internal reference. And we'll call this our library subscription. Then we'll select our subscription product. Now, this subscription product is the product that the customer will have to purchase in order to have access to your library of files. And in this case, we've created our growth vault here, which we'll go ahead and click Add. Now, here we have our plans. Now the plans are essentially tiers that you can set within a subscription. They're very similar to this, whether you want to sell that subscription on a monthly basis, if you want to do monthly plus yearly, so the customer can select whether they're being billed monthly or yearly. You can set that up all from here by just adding additional tiers or plans. In this case, we'll just stick with one plan to make it easy for the setup video. Now, in this case, we'll call this our monthly subscription. We have some advanced pricing options that we can set. We can override the product price on Shopify by setting a fixed price, or we can also offer a percentage discount for a certain amount of time on the product as well. In this case, we'll keep things simple and just use the default price that was set in Shopify for our product. Here we have our subscription frequency. Now this allows you to set how often the customer is billed. As mentioned, we could do this as a monthly subscription, or we could set this up that they're billed every year, for example, every week. In this case, we'll keep it simple and just do monthly. And the last thing is our file delivery settings. So we've got some options here, whether the customer can retain access after they cancel or pause their subscription. And in this case, if a customer is accessing your entire library of files, once they pause or cancel their subscription, by keeping this unchecked, this will revoke their access to those files. And we can also require customer to provide a cancellation reason if they cancel their subscription, and to show the download links on thank you order status page, to send an email when the customer purchases with links to their files for the subscription, and also to display the download links in their customer accounts/subscription page. We also have some settings here to limit how many IP addresses are able to download your files, and we can set a download limit per file on your subscription. And as mentioned, we're just creating a monthly subscription here that'll give customers access to the entire library of files. We can also create another subscription for yearly if we wanted, bi-yearly, and that can be all set here. Now, once we're happy with our settings, we can check our summary bar here just to make sure that everything looks good and click Save. Now, the next step will be to connect your files to your content library. And we can do that by clicking on the Configure Files button. We can either select files that we've previously uploaded into the Content Vault app, or we can also upload new files as well if we wanted to do that. Now, once we are happy with all of the files being uploaded, we can go ahead and click Back, and we'll see that the subscription is set in the draft state. The last thing that we have to do is just make sure to click Set Active, and your subscription will go live. We'll go ahead and do that now. And if we want to go ahead and verify the subscription, we'll just head over to our store here and go ahead and click on our Creator Growth Vault. And now we can see our monthly subscription. So when a customer subscribes here, they'll be able to get access to all those files that we had selected. And that's how easy it is to set up a library access subscription on Content Vault.